Alright, I'm in my room. Just got my charge pipe today. They sent it to my neighbor's house instead of my house. That's okay though. Finally got it. Right here. I want to say thanks to Nick. Perrin's having a special sale on all their products. So, definitely go check it out. Take a look at this charge pipe here. Let's come down here. Let's come down. Okay, take a look at this charge pipe. Oh, it's actually stapled. Oh my god! Another set of license plate burners. Thank you. I wasn't expecting that, but okay. Oh, give you see here an Allen wrench, 2 Allen bolts for the oh, does it come with a gasket? No, it does not. It does not come with the seal, so I have to reuse the old one. I know that for sure. I'm surprised they didn't supply the gasket there. 2.75-inch coupler. Okay. Turbo adapter the flange. So a lot of hose clamps here. It tells you right here on the notes here, it tells you what's included. There's also instructions, but I'm not going to read instructions because I've done this twice already. Ooh, these are some pretty nice hoses. Show you guys these. This is almost the same one from Depo Racing, except it says Perrin on it. I got mine powder coated in red. This actually looks a lot more decent than yeah. Let me take this out of the bag. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Take this out of the bag. Oh yeah, this actually looks pretty more. Has the Perrin logo here. It's actually more legit than looks a lot more legit than Depo Racing's charge pipe. The packaging, I'm not gonna complain. The packaging is awesome. So awesome packaging to Perrin. Oh, this thing feels nice, looks nice. I mean, I don't need to paint it myself. There it looks so. I would like it blue, but that's okay. So let's see here. This thing goes like this. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna put this on right now. Yep. Cool. I'm just trying to see how this works. Cool. For sure, I'm actually going to put this coupler on the top mount first. Because the top mount is a pain in the butt. So, here you guys have it. You guys get a chance to see the Perrin Charge Pipe. I'll do the install Monday. I'm not doing it tomorrow. It's gonna be even colder tomorrow, so I'm actually just gonna do all that tomorrow. Throw this back. Pretty cool packaging. So there you guys have it. Thanks for tuning in. So like, subscribe, Have a great Saturday night, guys.